Hi, my name's Chris Newson. I'm one of the tutors here at Make UK. We've put this video together to explain how our eLearning Extra courses work. There is a video that precedes this about eLearning, so I really would suggest that you look at that first. And then if you're interested in eLearning Extra, watch this one after that. So I'm not going to explain the course because that's in the previous video. The bit that's different with eLearning Extra, and we really think this bridges the gap between eLearning and the classroom course, because eLearning, you consume the material, you can ask us as many questions as you like, but with some people you want that more formal tutor interaction. So if that's you, then eLearning Extra is for you. So it's very straightforward. You've got all the eLearning course that we've already described. Then there's a series of webinars that you can register onto and attend live events. You attend with other students, and you can ask questions. They will be about a particular element that will be explained by the tutor, and you can ask questions within that format. And the idea is that it gives you that tutor interaction. So that is the difference with eLearning Extra. Now, I just thought I'd show you a couple of things. First of all, this is an example on the system. When you register, all the previous webinars are recorded. So this is what it looks like. This is the sort of format so you know what to expect. So it's in this case we've got a webinar with one student attending. So sometimes there can be 15, sometimes there could be one. You can see how many people are attending if that's important to you. And what we do here is talk about that particular learning element. Now, this video is about the practical assessment, so we're explaining how that works as we go along. So that's a very simple, just a quick example of how those work. So that's the pre-recorded ones that you can look at any time you like. Now, if you want to attend in person, which we'd obviously suggest you do, you pick the webinar that you want. So webinar 2, let's say, for example, you go on to attendance lists here, and you've got a list of when they are. So if I just scroll this up so you can see, so these are when the next events are. And if you look at the system, you can see that, for example, the next one's on the 5th of June. It's this time. There's currently no one booked on that, so you potentially might be the only person on it, or as I said, there could be a number of people. And all you do, you're already registered on the LMS. All you do is you press sign up here, okay, and you literally press sign up. I'm not going to do that because it will invite me to the session, but literally just press sign up. You then get a confirmation email telling you've registered, and nearer the time, approximately 2 weeks before the actual event, you'll then get a Teams invite inviting you to that webinar. Now, each webinar lasts 2 hours, as you can see, and as I've said, it's a presentation of the content for that learning outcome. So this one we were looking at here was element 1. So it's that live content, but it is also the ability to ask questions of the tutor that's there. So that's the real difference between eLearning and eLearning Extra. Hope you found that useful. Thank you.